name is Zara Jarvis and I own SoundCheck Studios, and we're a music school located in Ballarat and Ararat, and we also do lessons online, and we mostly do like singing lessons, guitar lessons, drum lessons, piano, all that kind of stuff, and group classes as well. So I opened in 2020, which was right in the thick of COVID. So I feel like in a lot of ways that made it easier for me to adapt, because I kind of had to set up my business from the very start in COVID times. I moved everyone to Zoom straight away. That was how my business was started online. And then once the doors were open, I actually started teaching in my mum's barn, literally next to the chickens. And my students would come there anytime the lockdowns would ease, and we would do lessons there until my waiting list started filling up, my schedule was booked out, and I renovated this beautiful place behind me, and that's where we are today. We have a really young team, and I think that gives us a really unique take on the music industry because it's really contemporary and current. And we have like a really unique bond with our students, I feel. So our teachers are more like friends with our students as opposed to like this, different kind of authority figure. We feel like we really bond with our students on like a more personal level. Moving our business online and offline through COVID and through the lockdowns, I think a digital strategy was super important for us to implement because it was the best way to touch base with our clients when we weren't seeing them in person. As I grew and I scaled, I figured out that I really needed the foundation in place to uphold the growth that I was getting. So it's a big part of the reason why I started the Digital Solutions program, just to give me a little bit more clarity and direction in what I was putting online and through my digital strategy. A big part of what Erin did with me through our digital marketing strategy was to implement content pillars as well as create our customer avatars. So for me, that looked like breaking apart our whole content strategy. What should we be posting about? How does that meet our customers' pain points? And then really getting deep into who our customer is, what they need, what they want from us, and how we can solve their problem. The online platforms we use at SoundCheck to help our growth and our reach. A big one for us is Canva. I think it's such a good tool for any small business owner to, it's so accessible for graphic design, so we use that every single day. I think another big aspect of our growth has come down to our connection with community through Instagram and Facebook, as well as Facebook ads, as well. The business ads have been really helpful too. I highly recommend the Digital Solutions ASBAS program. It's so awesome for any small business owner, especially if you're just getting your start. So affordable, and you have such a good selection of incredible professional coaches to choose from to support your journey.